Tired of typing those long, complicated Wi-Fi passwords? Today, I'm going to show you how to instantly connect to a Wi-Fi network by simply scanning a QR code using your laptop. This is a super convenient method that bypasses the need to manually enter the password first. Let's talk about the two main methods you can use. The primary way to scan is using your laptop's built-in webcam. If your laptop doesn't have one, you will need to use a USB QR code scanner instead. Using a USB scanner, you can scan the QR code through a USB connection. Let's start with the built-in webcam method first. You'll need to open your operating system's camera app, or alternatively any app you have that is able to read a QR code. With the USB scanner, simply plug the device into your laptop's USB port and point the scanner toward the QR code once the scanner reads the code successfully. If you have set it up to automatically connect to Wi-Fi networks, it should instantly connect your computer to the Wi-Fi network. Once your camera app is open, hold the QR code within the camera's view. Make sure the code is clearly visible and well lit. To ensure a successful scan, the app should automatically detect and scan the QR code. After the scan, the app will process the information encoded in the QR code, which includes the Wi-Fi network name and password, and automatically connect you to the network. Your laptop now should be connected to the Wi-Fi network. You're all set.